What's up, everyone? I just want to update you on a euro long trade that I got filled overnight. It's 12:30. It's going very well right now. I had almost 1 to 4.5. I'm looking for 1 to 5 on this one. My reasoning, so I had a pending order here on this order block. Let's take this one off. On this order block, I had a pending overnight. My reasoning being that we are coming down, during the evening yesterday. We have this sell side liquidity here. We also have the 1 hour fair value gap, and we also have this order block here. So I was just looking for the sell side liquidity to be taken, and was looking for the fair value gap and order block to act the resistance, which did exactly at almost a pip level. I think it went a pip of something under my order. As you can see here, I got filled 30 minutes past midnight. When I woke up, I was nice into profit already. What I can see right now after Asian session finished is that we kind of took off a lot during the last 2 hours, 6 and 7 o'clock. Sorry. So yeah, I do like that the price went through back to this previous 1 hour fair value gap, and as you can see, the body closed, didn't go under, and closed over it. Now what I'm looking for is for this buy side liquidity to be taken and take my profits around 1 to $500. It may be a bit too much to ask today, considering how much we went during the Asian session. We also have some news around 3 p.m. UK time, I think, US news. So yeah, I'm watching this closely. Maybe I'm gonna close it if I'm back to 1 to 4, or leave it for 1 to 5. What you can see here is a central bank dealer desk. If you don't know, it's something that ICT teaches as well. I calculated during the earlier Asian session, so it's a high to low 10 to 2 p.m. UK time, and the deviation of this central bank dealer's desk helps me predict how much the market can move in one direction or another. As we can see, we are already 1, 2, 3.5 standard deviation in already. I'm looking for 4, up to 4. That's why I can say it could be a stretch, but let's see. Maybe I either gonna cut the trade 1 to 3 if it's coming back and I see it on lower time frame. Right now 5 minutes is still bullish, making break of structures. This will be the last low. 15 minutes, well, as you can see, it's just took off. You can say this will be the last low, but yeah, 5 minutes is this and this, right? 5 minutes is this one. So let's see how this one goes through. As I said, I'm looking for this buy side liquidity to be taken, and we are quite close to it. So if I see a push before the 3 p.m. news, US news, I'm gonna definitely take profits, and looking actually into trading and on short side for a bit if I see weakness on 5 minutes, 1 minute. So that's it for now. Take care. I'm gonna update you during the day. So actually looking better at the looking once again at the chart and how much it went during the Asian session. Let's take this one to 4.5. It will be more than enough. The take profit to 4.5 and the stop loss. I don't want to get involved if it's going past, if it's changing the market structure on the 5 minutes chart. I'm not want to get involved, so let's actually put it at 300. So it will be either a 300 plus trade or a 450 trade. 4.5 is great, considering, yes, if it can touch this one, considering how much it went. So I don't want to get greedy. On this trade, it will be enough. So it's either 300 plus or 550 plus. Let's see. Now, alright, so I have adjusted the positive stop loss just a bit under this lower low. As you can see, it formed higher highs, lower low, higher highs, lower low, higher highs, lower lows. If this one is taken, I don't want to get in the position. 3.5 will be fine, considering cable is doing in a range, is doing something similar and going down. Aussie and Kiwi, they are a bit stronger today. So yeah, let's see. Right now it will be either 350 or 450. Let's see which side is taken out first. Alright guys, it looks like I'm gonna get stopped out on my euro trade. Well, considering that it did around 90 pips today. Yeah, looking back, I should have been happy with 4.5 hour, but it's, yeah, I was looking for this liquidity to be taken out as well. I'm still gonna be happy with 3.5 hour, 350. Looking at the pound, doesn't have any steam in it. Just took out the lows, just took out the highs of Asian session, and into a 15-minute order block, which is bouncing from. Yeah, so I'm happy leaving the stop loss so tight. Yeah. Right now, still bouncing a bit. Let's see. Was looking like I'm gonna get stop out. Well, yeah. Pause the video and get back to you when if I'm gonna be stopped out. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna actually close the trade here. 1 to 4 is fine. It's great for me, actually. I don't want to get too greedy, considering we have some news on pound, which is bouncing now, but it was way down. So 400 is great for me, considering the circumstances that euro did already 95 almost pips today. We are 4.5 in the central bank's dealers range. No, 1, 2, 3, 3.5 up to 4. Taking this liquidity, I'm happy to shut it 1 to 4. Can we take this liquidity out today? Probably. I don't know. See what's happened. We have news 3 p.m. UK time, US news, so we can retrace a bit and take that liquidity too. But for the moment, not for the moment, I'm happy with 1 to 4 risk reward on this one. Let's see the trade on the back end. History today. What we have here, it's a small break even. So this is the trade for a 402 return. Now that I stop the trade, probably it's gonna hit the 1 to 5. Do I care? No. Right, so we have news at 3 p.m. That means I'm not gonna trade from now to 3. I'm looking to see what this market is doing around 3 p.m. Maybe if we get a push up, take this liquidity during the news or something like that, and I see weakness, considering how much euro went up today, I may considering short it, but depends on the price action on this area and the time. The time beats the price action, remember. It needs to happen after news. Take care for now. If I'm gonna trade again today, I'm gonna post another trade. If not, I'm happy with the 400 that I have in the bank today. Always great to start a new day, a new month in green. So I'm not gonna be too greedy today. Take care for now.